For the stat students, I wanted to show how to access the StatCrunch, which will end up being your best friend. It's going to do all of the grunt work for you. All the problems that end up taking you forever by hand, StatCrunch is going to do in a matter of seconds. I know it's required for the project, but you're going to see how quick and easy it is, and you're going to want it for all of your classes. Now, when you click on the StatCrunch, I know you're going to want to see where it shows that you can purchase options. You don't want to do that. You got it with your Pearson purchase. When you click on the website, this is how you can go to StatCrunch directly, but it looks like Excel. It's actually not close to Excel at all. What you're going to want to do is take the data from the Canvas project and just copy and paste it into here. It's going to do all the work for you. You would just go to, and this is where I said watch the YouTube video to at least just kind of get used to things. When it says make a z-test, find the p-value, it's going to say go to z-stat, go to two variable, go to with summary. It's going to do all of the work for you immediately. But when doing the homework is when you're going to like it the most. When you're going through and you're doing an assignment, and let's just say it's chapter 2, section 2, when you're trying to make histograms, when you see this problem in your homework, if you were to try doing this one by hand, it would take forever. It looks at this data, you're gonna have to make a frequency table, and you have to go through all that. But if you click on this, open in StatCrunch, what it does is it exports directly to it, opens up StatCrunch, and there it is. There's your whole data sitting there in one column. Where you're gonna wanna find this is where we talked about using the textbook. If you say, go to your textbook directly, again, this is the hardback, but what I mean by the colored boxes are the last page of each section. So you can go through, look at your definitions, look at your example problems, and see how to do all of it. But at the end of each section is where you can use StatDisk, Minitab, StatCrunch. Here's how to use the 84 calculators that I'm sure you're used to. But when it says go to graph, go to histogram, go to Ben's compute, boom. When you had this data in your StatCrunch, all you would do is go to stat, go to graph, go to histogram, put everything over here in your bins, go to compute, and there is your histogram as you need it. And you can change the settings as needed for the problem. But that is, again, how StatCrunch does an hour of work for you in only a few simple clicks. Watch a few videos in YouTube to get used to it. Use the video, the tables, what I call the colored boxes at the end of each section. And the end of each section has these boxes. It tells you the navigation you want for each problem.